ShopBase Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're an aspiring e-commerce entrepreneur, the ShopBase app promises a simple way to create, manage, and scale your online store, but how effective is it really? One of the biggest pros is ease of use. Most people get this wrong by assuming building an online store requires technical expertise. With ShopBase, you can set up products, customize templates, and integrate payment gateways without any coding knowledge. The drag and drop editor and pre-built templates make it easy to launch quickly. Another advantage is flexibility. ShopBase supports multiple sales channels, including dropshipping, print on demand, and subscription-based products. You can manage inventory, track orders, and generate reports all within the app, saving time and keeping your operations organized. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app's design customization is limited compared to competitors, and certain advanced features like complex discount rules or third-party app integrations can be restrictive. Customer support can also be slow at times, which might be frustrating if you encounter urgent technical issues. In conclusion, the ShopBase app is a convenient platform for entrepreneurs who want to start an online store quickly and manage products efficiently. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies e-commerce for beginners, growing a highly customized store may require additional tools or platforms. For small business owners and dropshippers, ShopBase offers a solid starting point with streamlined features, but be prepared to supplement it if your store needs more advanced functionality as it scales.